second question. How can Dr. King's vision for economic justice inspire communities to become entrepreneurs?
Wow. So the People's, I believe it was the People's Economic Campaign. I know I'm calling it by the wrong name, but when the messaging shifted from equal rights to equality and equity, we wanted to go and actually empower those people to take action. The last action was in Memphis during a sanitation strike. It was about helping people to mobilize and to take charge of what they wanted. That's exactly what we have to be as an entrepreneur. You have to be willing to take the risk, to invest yourself and your time, and to put the work in to achieve the thing that you have envisioned. So I think that he is, again, an example of what leadership does when they realize a need exists and figures out a way for us to actually find a solution for the problem.
Wonderful. And what does Dr. King's vision for economic justice mean for you personally?
It means that we have to make sure that everyone has the things they need to live a complete, healthy life. Sometimes we get caught up talking about money, and I don't want it to be, I don't think that the equality and the equity and the economic opportunity that he was talking about is really just simply money. It's about us having healthy environments, access to education, to cultural institutions, us having safety in our neighborhoods and in our homes. It's us having access to health care. The movement was about people being treated with humanity. And economics is one of the ways there, just like equality and equal rights was one of the ways there. And I think that we have to think about it as broadly as he was envisioning it, and we have to make sure that we, as well as our neighbors, have everything they need to live a healthy and complete